Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install the Grok app on your laptop or PC so you can use it just like a regular app. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can follow along with any browser that supports this feature. In the search bar, type Grok, then open the official Grok website. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below so you can access it quickly. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner of your browser and click on the three-dot menu. From there, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click on Install Grok. Now click Install, and that's going to install Grok as a desktop app on your computer. Once it's installed, the app will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can search for Grok on your computer and launch it from there. You'll also get a shortcut on your desktop so you can open it anytime with just one click. From here, simply sign into your account, and you can start using Grok just like you would in your browser, but in a cleaner, app-style experience. If you found this helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.